Peace world, it's the R&B Soul Man. Checking in, yo. Welcome to the 17 days of the sound of my melodies. With this album, I'm gonna introduce to you a brand new sound of neo soul, live instrumentation, great lyrics, great stories, life experiences as well. First track is the intro. With the intro, I basically wanted to pull you into my world, let you feel the dynamics of everything I was trying to create and come across and get to you. So, I don't know about you, but I feel like in the 95 era, neo soul, like soul music was one of those dominant sounds that took over. With this album, it is my goal to reinvent the sound of R&B and neo soul. I feel like at this point in the music industry, they put us on the back burner. There's not really many songs that you can relate to and grow from. Unlike older R&B music. So that's my duty, is to try to, not to try, to put you on to my sounds, my tunes, live instrumentation, dope lyrics, potent lyrics, real life experiences, things you can grow from, live by, learn from, build upon, you know what I mean? So when I think about older R&B music, when you listen to their messages, that's what the message in the song made their music timeless. That's why we listen to a lot of what's older. Rock, baby.